guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Converse Chuck High 70s Offspring Paisley pack. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Let's get into it. So, one of our favorites right here, we've got another review of a Converse All-Star. Here at Oneupreviewz, we love Converses. We've done tons of reviews, and significantly, we've done a lot of the Offspring collabs as well. And we've got one of the newest releases that is yet to be released at the time of this recording. But essentially, this is like the sneak peek, so we're lucky to have a really good preview right here at Oneupreviewz. So with that all said, this is Offspring's follow-up to their corduroy pack, which we have done a review on, and this is the Paisley pack, or bandana pack, I want to like nickname it if it hasn't been nicknamed. And we've got one of the two colors. We'll do the second color in our next video. Is right there. We'll do a little comparison between the two, but in my opinion, I prefer this color, and we've got this color in the black egret multi, and the primary colors are grey, red and black, as I will show you when I do the unboxing. But before that, we'll do the sizing. So we've got a UK 7.5, it's a European 41, and there is no US sizing, but if we go by the rule of thumb, it should be an 8.5. So if there's any American viewers watching, it usually is a size up from the UK. And let's get unboxing. There we go. What a really nice touch. That bandana print's really cool as well. I really prefer this color than, well, personally I do prefer this color compared to the other one, which we're gonna show in the next video. And right off the bat, let's start, as we always do, with the outsole. So you got that traditional Converse rubber outsole there, but what's great is that it's split into three colors, and it's three colors of the bandana print. So you've got the black, the gray and the red right there. Going along the midsole, now I love the Converse midsole. I always love the Chuck 70s one, actually, because there's more padding, it's softer, it's thicker as well, more comfortable than your run-of-the-mill normal Chuck Taylor All-Star High that you can get, which is why like the Chuck 70s is one of my favorite sneakers of all time. And we'll start with the upper, and that upper it's all canvas, it's multi-stitched, layered, so you got different bits of bandanas like stitched on here with the grey at the top. You got a little subtle red hits, the off-white here at the heel, and consisting of the majority is actually all the black bandana print. And it's really dope that they've incorporated all this multi bandana design. You've seen it a lot during the spring summer 20. I've seen it coming again with Sakai and Neighborhood for their autumn winter 20 releases. And it's really dope because in regards to footwear, like a lot of the fashion bloggers, they are wearing the sandals with the bandana print that Arizona loves. And even going back when Supreme did the bandana logo as well, which is really cool to see that in this sneaker form. And I'm not like I'm condoning gang violence or whatever, but Converses were a hit in the West Coast when they were being worn by the Bloods and the Crips. But again, like, we're not here to glorify that, but it was just something that you'd see in hip hop. Going on to the medial side, so you've got the typical big Converse All-Star logo there in the black and white, and it's nice and padded, so it feels like it's leather. You go on to the tongue, so the tongue is the black bandana print right there. And as always, in all of the Chuck 70s, you've got that Chuck Taylor player's name tag right inside there. Your typical Converse lacing system can be found, wear it however you want, but it's already laced up in that crisscross fashion. as I mentioned about the insole unit, so it's a nice gel pad right there, and it says Converse with the Chuck Taylor logo. And I'm gonna round it off there. I really prefer this style than the other one, which we are about to show you. We will show you in the next video, don't you worry guys. We are gonna compare the two. This is the more suitable color for myself, really. I can see myself wearing a whole lot of outfits with these on. This is a really cool concept as well, like having multiple like bandana designs on it, and it's pretty versatile. Can't wait to try these on. I know that the sizing's on point, but I will get into that when you see these on feet, and I can't wait to show you these on feet whilst I'm wearing some Dickies 874 trousers. Let's do it. When it comes to the size, guys, get whatever you get for, I'd say Nike. What you usually wear, I always wear a 7.5. That is my true to size sizing, and that is the right size I get for Converse's. Great sizing, great design. I totally forgot to mention that the back tab here, that Converse logo is the same color as this grey bandana stripe there, which is a really nice touch to incorporate on such an iconic logo right there. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.